Okay, so hey, it's Barry J. Solomon here again, aka Crypto Cowboy, the world's one and only crypto YouTube channel for newbies and beginners and people who ain't got no time for no learning curve, who ain't got time to go researching all over YouTube because you're working a regular job, you have kids, you got to feed your dog, you have things that you have to do outside of crypto, and you don't have time to read charts and all that crazy stuff. So this channel is for you. Anyway, on my last video, I forgot to give you a little walkthrough on once you click this link, what to do next. So once you click this link, you're going to see this page. You're going to put your name. There's my name right there. There's my name. Look me up if you want to Google me. Go on ahead and Google me. Look me up on Facebook. That's my full name, my real name, my government name, and in addition to Crypto Cowboy. So I'm building a brand. This name right here is going to be my brand. People will know me all over the world, just like you now know me. So put your name, put your email. You probably just put your first name. You don't. Not everyone wants to build a brand, so just put your first name, put your email, and click on join the waiting list. All right, so here's another tip for you. So watch this. I want to show you something because I know a lot of you that are watching this video, you have so many emails coming through your inbox that you 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 want to freaking kill yourself, right? You got so many emails, you just want to you feel like throwing up in your mouth every time you go to your inbox because you know it's going to be tons of emails in there, and so you dread every day looking through those emails. So watch this. Just for watching this video, um, well, stick around to the end of this video. Stick with me to the end. I'm going to show you something really powerful that is going to change your life. So, are you ready? Okay, well, now is the end of the video because it's really going to be a short video. So, welcome to the end of the video. So, here's what you're going to do. All right, so watch this. Roger 34, Roger 234 at 1.33. All right, you see this right here? This is what's called an alias. So what you're going to do is you're going to click join the waiting list. Now I know a lot of you are skeptical about about different companies and different websites having your email. So watch this. You're going to click on join the waiting list with your email alias, and then you're going to go to your regular email and you're going to verify. It says you're almost there. Please verify your email. So you're going to go to your regular email, which is this email right here is going to forward to your regular email. Now, if this was a company, BlockFi, let's say BlockFi was a company, you wasn't sure that they were going to spam your inbox, spam the crap out of your inbox. If you wasn't sure about them, this is what you would do. This is going to be free content for you. Like and subscribe. Click that bell at the end of the bottom of this video if this is valuable. So watch this. Here's what you're going to do. And don't do this with BlockFi. Do this with other websites that you go to or other companies when you're not sure if they're going to spam the crap out of your inbox. There's a website called 33mail.com. Right? So you go to this website, it's completely free, unlimited private email aliases. So you click on get started. You can watch this 1-minute video if you want to. Click on get started and just put your email address and put your username and enter a password, and that's it. You're done. And then what this does is this gives you an email alias, right? Like this, and you can make up any email you want. Any email you want, you can make up as long as it says right here, this is going to be your username. See this right here? That's my username, right? So that word right there, I just highlight it. What you're going to do is you're going to put your username right there, right? And put your username, and you see this right here, this Roger234. Now that can say anything you want it to say. Anything you can think of, but as long as you put your username right here, your username and then .33mail.com right here, it'll create an alias. And anytime you want to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe from that company, and that company will never have your real email. You can unsubscribe from their emails forever. So it's another thing, another powerful tool. It's called 33mail.com. If you thought that was some valuable content, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Again, this channel is for newbies. As I'm on my crypto journey, which I am still new, just like you, I'm learning new things every day. I'm about to set up my MetaMask and some other decentralized finance tools. And as I learn more about this stuff, I'm going to come here and share it with you. So thanks for watching. Crypto Cowboy out.